Okay, tell me what you tell customers when they are stuck between replacing or refacing a kitchen.
That's a good question, because I think I probably get that question a couple times a week. The biggest single difference is when you reface cabinets, you're stuck with all the old hardware, the old finish. Many times the appliances are out of date, so we have to remodel the cabinet to accommodate the newer appliances. And by the time you strip the doors, the hinges, the drawer boxes, the drawer hardware off the cabinet, pay my crew to come to your house on a job site remodel, the only thing you saved left out of your existing cabinets is the boxes, which actually in turn is the cheapest part of the whole project. So it makes more sense to be able to have your design work out how you want, to fit the modern appliances, to have the new soft close drawer hardware, door hardware, and we can do all of that for many times less than what it costs to reface, and you have a new kitchen that's going to last you 30 to 40 years.